Hello, this is openchart, and this tool is going to help developers and DevOps people easily estimate the costs of creating a new network inside of Azure. This tool works by allowing people to easily draw components on the screen, which will allow them to guesstimate how much having an interesting network is going to cost. So let's begin by creating a resource group, as always in Azure. So here I'm going to press Shift and move the mouse around, and just to draw the resource group, we're going to call this resource group 1. And inside this resource group, we're going to create a load balancer. So I click the load balancer tool, and let's put the load balancer here in front of the internet. This is load balancer 1. And then we're going to set up maybe 4 virtual machines. And these virtual machines are going to be web servers, which are going to be serving traffic. And the idea behind the tool is to make it easy for people to just play around with Azure and get a rough estimate of the costs, basically. Of course, these virtual machines need to be connected to a database server. So we're gonna just create a database server here, and we're gonna store the information in the database. So this is gonna be the invoice and database. Now, in order to connect these tools together, so the idea here is that when we draw components across the tool, what this is informing the system is that we need to create rules to allow these virtual machines to access, and creating connections between the balancer and the virtual machines informs the load balancer configuration and also the port configuration. So after doing all these things, then what we can do is click render, and this will generate a list of tasks for the DevOps people, as well as generating a list of AZ commands. So as you can see, these AZ commands were generated automatically and have some information about what does a person need to do in order to create this network inside Azure. In addition to this, the tool gives it a cost estimate and a number of tasks. We hope this tool will be useful for people who want to play around with Azure and estimate how much it would cost to set up a network. And also, we hope that this tool can be extended in the future to do cost estimation of user interfaces, and also cost estimation of more complicated things, like things involving abstraction and repetition and maybe mobile applications for architecture. We have published this application under the public domain, so you can feel free to check out the code at github.com/data f3l/openchart. Thank you for your attention.